If you're wondering which hosting service offers better website performance, GreenGeeks or Namecheap, you're in the right place. Both have earned their spots in the web hosting world, but the question is, which one delivers on performance? Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about GreenGeeks. Known for its eco-friendly approach, GreenGeeks uses 300% renewable energy to power their servers. That's a big win for the environment, but how does it affect their website performance? GreenGeeks has solid uptime stats, averaging 99.9%, which is industry standard. But when it comes to speed, GreenGeeks isn't always the fastest. Their response times can be slower during high traffic periods, which may impact your site's user experience. Next thing, we have Namecheap. Namecheap is often praised for its affordability and variety of hosting plans, but how does it perform? Like GreenGeeks, they boast 99.9% uptime, which is good, but the difference is in their speed. Namecheap servers are generally quicker in load times, especially for smaller websites. However, as you scale up, Namecheap can struggle with performance as you hit certain traffic thresholds. The third thing worth mentioning is customer support. GreenGeeks has a reputation for solid support, with 24/7 live chat and phone support available. This can be a lifesaver when you run into issues. Namecheap offers customer support too, but some users report slower response times, especially with technical issues. So, if fast and reliable support is a deal breaker for you, GreenGeeks might have the edge here. Fourth thing, let's talk about scalability. GreenGeeks shines in this department. Their hosting plans are flexible, and their VPS and dedicated hosting options are great for growing websites. Namecheap, on the other hand, offers basic shared hosting plans that work well for small sites, but it might not be as ideal as GreenGeeks when you start looking for more robust solutions. Now, when it comes down to the nitty-gritty of performance, both GreenGeeks and Namecheap are reliable options for small to mid-sized websites. But if you want to get the best performance, especially if your website is expected to grow or handle high traffic, there's an option out there that stands out. After trying all of them myself, I've found a better alternative that takes website performance to the next level. If you're serious about optimizing your site's speed, uptime, and scalability, I recommend checking out the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, while both GreenGeeks and Namecheap are solid options for hosting, if performance is your priority, you should give this alternative a shot. Don't miss out on the free trial. Check it out now and see the difference for yourself.